Welcome to the future of video production. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage Synthesia to create AI spokesperson videos and boost your business income. AI spokesperson videos are powerful tools that help businesses communicate effectively. They can inform, engage, and convert potential customers successfully. As we approach 2025, the demand for video content is skyrocketing. This is where your opportunity lies. Businesses are keen to harness this trend. Now, let's dive into how you can create an AI spokesperson video using Synthesia. Follow these simple steps to get started. Optimization is key. Let's cover tips to ensure your AI videos engage viewers and drive conversions. Let's examine some case studies of businesses that are crushing it with AI spokesperson content. Their stories can inspire your journey. Discover the monetization strategies available to you. You can either offer services or create products using these AI videos. As with any technology, there are pitfalls to avoid. Let's discuss how to sidestep common mistakes when using Synthesia. The evolution of AI videos continues. Let's look at upcoming trends that will shape how these technologies are utilized. Embracing AI technology now could yield substantial profits. Start your journey with AI spokesperson videos today.